dramatically reducing the lead time of ID systems maintenance and development.
IT system continuously changes due to program modification and new development during the maintenance. For these changes, cooperation will be needed through several stages such as requirement definition, design, impact analysis, development, test, deployment to production. During this process, it would be very difficult to communicate precisely between stakeholders, especially when development center is in remote location. Is there any way to solve this issue?
When modifying the program, or developing new features for ID systems maintenance, collaboration between various stakeholders is very important. In this process, it is very important to properly understand the requirements of the business users, and reflect them precisely to the design document. It is also important to accurately deliver them to developers. ChangeMiner, the automated application analysis tool, can support to write and share the design document much easier and more efficiently. For the applications written in heterogeneous languages and technologies, it imports and analyzes source files and DB schema with intelligent features to implement application analytics repository. Let's explore the S company's case. S company had made the ChangeMiner's RelationMap for all essential services of the existing system. RelationMap is ChangeMiner's feature that can visualize all the service structure from front-end program to DBMS table at the detailed level. To change the existing service, stakeholders had discussed based on the service's relation map. And to add new service, they are also using the similar service's relation map. ChangeMiner's relation map provides the editing features for users to edit and share the relation map much easier and more efficiently. So, to make the design document, they could apply the discussion results to relation map at the detailed program level. And also they had saved the design document in server to share and reuse the relation map at any time. Relation map saved in server also had registered as artifact document of IDSM systems planning stage by using REST API.
By using ChangeMiner's relation map as design document, communication between stakeholders had become much easier. Accuracy of analysis and planning had improved, and redevelopment issue had minimized at the same time. We could eventually improve the productivity by reducing the lead time of maintenance and development.
Now we learned that we can promote the cooperation and improve the productivity by using the ChangeMiner's relation map as the design document.
We had learned the efficient measure to develop a design document by using the ChangeMiner's relation map. For more information, please contact us at contact@gtonesoft.com. Thank you.